I'm going to share with you the single most powerful navigation upgrade that's used by giants like Amazon and Airbnb to keep people on their sites longer. Now, this one tool can instantly turn a messy list of blog posts or products into a professional searchable database. Plus, you can finally set this up without hiring a developer or writing a single line of complex code. If you're like most smart site owners, you've probably looked at your search results page and wished there was a better way for your visitors to find exactly what they need. Well, the wait is over. Today, I'm introducing WPFilters. WPFilters is the ultimate no-code solution for adding faceted search to WordPress. Now, I know what you're thinking, faceted search. It's just a fancy developer term for those helpful sidebars you see on big e-commerce sites. You know, the ones where you can tick a box for category, slide a bar for price, or select a 5-star rating. The problem? Until today, most tools that did this were either frustratingly complicated, strictly limited to WooCommerce, or they broke your site the moment you tried to customize them. So, the team behind SearchWP, the gold standard for WordPress search, built a solution that is as powerful as Amazon's, but as easy to use as the block editor. Let me show you how this changes the game for your site. Right out the box, you can create professional filters. We aren't just talking simple links. I mean checkboxes for multiple choice, radio buttons, drop downs to save space, and yes, even visual range sliders for things like price and weight. Now, this is where it gets cool. You aren't just limited to categories. If the data exists in WordPress, you can filter by it. So if you use advanced custom fields, WPFilters automatically detects those fields. You can let users filter by author, genre, cooking time, or any custom data you have. Nothing drives users away faster than clicking on a filter and seeing no results found. WPFilters solves this with smart logic. It can automatically hide empty options or show results counts next to the filter, so your users know exactly what they're getting before they click. Whether you love the Gutenberg block editor, prefer page builders like Elementor or Divi, or even just want to use simple shortcode, WPFilters make sure you can place these filters anywhere on your site. WPFilters is the bridge that turns your simple blog or store into a high-end, user-friendly platform. It's time to stop losing visitors who can't find what they need. Check out the link in the description to get WPFilters today and give your site the navigation upgrade it deserves. And hey, if you have any questions on how this works with your specific site or theme, drop a comment below. We'll try and answer as many of those as possible. I'm Ryan, this is WP Beginner, thanks for watching.